It ain't my fault.
Okay guys, what is up? I don't know what a video today, so I'm just gonna like say what I did today, kinda. I mean, I might show some stuff outside, ducks and stuff a little, maybe. I don't know. It's just really windy, cold, and rainy. And yeah, so today, this morning we had a STAR test for writing, and I felt like I did pretty good. I mean, it wasn't that hard. I felt like it was easy. And the writing prompt was, what's the importance of accomplishing a goal or something, of making a new goal or something. So that was okay. Then after we got done with the STAR test, we just went to the gym, played some basketball, played some wall ball, and then we just went to lunch, had some pizza, and then we watched a movie in 2 other classes. So that was pretty nice. And then, yeah, the last class we just did a review, lesson review, just some work in there. And yeah, that's it and then we had practice after school. It was messed up. Freaking made me mad. Messed up. We had to run for like 15 minutes, but it wasn't that bad. So yeah, let's go outside. What? 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 It was windy, cold, because it was freaking hailing today, raining. Hi, duckies. Hi. Are y'all not cold? They're not even. Oh, it's so just look at this. It's all gray and nasty. Okay, I'm gonna go inside and yeah. I hate cold weather very much. Very, very, very much. What are you doing?
Working. What are you doing?
You're working.
I'm working.
What are you doing, Pippa?
You might let Kelby in. But you
Show you some brownies.
You gotta hold her. You gotta hold her collars. Go straight to the ducks.
Yeah, but
Oh,
yeah.
come on, she'll get all messy.
Okay, we'll go let Kelby in. This is gonna be hard. Kelby! What a freaking light. Been gone. Kelby! Golly, she's gone. Kelby! Come on. Where'd you go? Kelby! Let's go inside. Come on. No! 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 Kelby! 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 Okay guys, if you guys enjoyed that video, don't forget to drop a like down below, share with friends if you haven't already, and turn on my post notifications so you never miss a video. It's right by the subscribe button, so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.